All right, and turning now to local storm preparations, we spoke to a hurricane and tropical storm specialist about how residents in the DMV can protect their homes.
The best way to prepare is to prepare your house for handling the water. Let's, clean the gutters, make sure the gutters are flowing really well. Make sure the downspouts are clear. Those downspouts are going to bring water from the roof down to the ground, and they're going to dump water at the bottom. Where's that water going? It needs to discharge about 5 feet, at least 5 feet from the house.